9,684 divided by 6 using the standard algorithm. Let's go ahead and get started. So divide 9 divided by 6. How many times can 6 fit into 9? One time. Then we multiply 1 times 6, which is 6. Next step is to subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now we bring down our next digit, which is the 6. We've reached the last step, so we start over. And what are we dividing? The last thing that we looked at, which is our 36. So 36 divided by 6. How many times can 6 fit into 36? It is 6 times. Now we're going to multiply. So 6 times 6, which is 36. We subtract 36 minus 36, which is 0. And now we're going to bring down the 8. All right. Next step is to divide again. So what are we dividing? The last thing we touched, which is the 8. The 0 doesn't do anything for us. Otherwise, we'd use these two boxes, but it's a 0. So 8 divided by 6. How many times does 6 fit into 8? One time. Now we're going to multiply. 1 times 6, which is 6. Subtract to see what we have left over. 8 minus 6 is 2. And now we're going to bring down our last digit, which is the 4. We divide again. So now we're doing 24 divided by 6, which is 4. And then we multiply that out to find out if we have a remainder. So 4 times 6 is 24 exactly, which means when you subtract, there's nothing left over. That means that 9,684 is a multiple of 6. It means that 6 is a factor of 9,684. It means that if I had 9,684 basketballs and I put them onto 6 basketball courts, I could get the exact same amount on each court. It divides perfectly with no remainder. I would have 1,614 on each court. If you wanted to check this, you would do 1,614 times 6 and you would get this number. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful for you and have a great day.